Okay. Which one was it? This one.
Ma'am, can you please scroll up? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I guess this one only. I completed the Madam and Monsieur.
Okay. Bonjour ou bonsoir.
Bonjour ou bonsoir. On dit bonjour jusqu'au début de la soirée, puis on dit bonsoir. Au lieu de dire, au lieu de dire au revoir, on peut dire à bientôt, à demain, à la semaine prochaine, bonne journée, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne soirée, bonne nuit, bon travail, bon film, etc.
Okay. So we were studying about the culture of France. So here, like here we studied tu voyez and vous voyez, where to say tu and vous. Here Sarhilama ou faire la bise. Here madame and monsieur. Now here is bonjour ou bonsoir. Now they're saying on the bonjour jusqu'à début de la soirée. Now see, bonjour is one such term where it is, it is carried throughout the day. We have several different terms for morning, evening, afternoon, but nobody uses that literally. Everybody says bonjour only, but like the little culture of the France says that just beginning of the evening, début de la soirée, you can say bonjour, but
So,
throughout the evening, like after, uh, let's say after 6 or after 5:30 and all, we have to say bonsoir. It is bonsoir. Then, instead of saying au revoir every time, we can also say different terms like aviento, adama, alla semaine prochaine, bonne journée, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonne soirée, bonne nuit, bon travail, bon film, and there are many different terms also to say bye. Then, à l'heure, en avance ou en retard.
à l'heure, on avance ou on retard.
Like to be
Uh,
on time, to be early, or to be late.
late. Um, essayer, essayer
SAE.
d'arriver, essayer d'arriver à l'heure à vos rendez-vous, mais quand on vous uh, invite à dîner, arriver avec un petit quart de retard pour une première invitation, apporter un petit cadeau, des fleurs à livre. Quand, quand on vous fait un cadeau, ouvrez-les toutes dessous et dites votre plaisir de les recevoir.
Okay,
Recevoir. Recevoir.
okay. Now see, essayer d'arriver à l'heure à vos rendez-vous. Try to be early. Sorry, try to be on time for your meeting. Rendezvous is meeting. Try to be on time for your meetings. French people are very particular about their time, especially for their formal meetings and all. Mais, but quand on vous invite à dîner, arrivez avec un petit quart de retard. But when somebody invites for a dinner, when somebody invites you for a dinner, arrive 15 minutes late. Like if somebody says you at 7 o'clock, arrive 7:15. But when you are in a meeting or something, when somebody says we are meeting at 9 o'clock, so arrive at 9 o'clock. But when on a dinner or something, arrive like take 15 minutes of time and then go. Pour une première invitation, apporter un petit cadeau. For the first meeting, for the first invitation, you don't know the person or something, but still get a small gift for that person, like some flowers or a book. It's a culture over there. Like here, we don't get any gift for the person we don't know. What gift to take? But there, it's a culture. You take some flowers, and flowers like yellow or blue or something, white. So it's a symbol of friendship, kind of. So for the first meeting, take some small gift. And the second most important thing, which is just the opposite in India, it is just the opposite. Quand on vous fait un cadeau, when we give a gift or receive a gift in France, it is not only in France, it is all over the world, in many countries actually, not in India. I said in India it is just the opposite. Ouvrez-le tout de suite et dites votre plaisir de le recevoir. When you receive a gift or you give a gift to someone, not give a gift, when you receive a gift from someone, open it immediately and express your feelings about the gift. In India, what we are told, when somebody gives you a gift, when when that person goes, then open the gift. Okay, don't open it in front. So it's that is why I said it's just the opposite over here. But there, whenever somebody gives you, open the gift immediately and express your gratitude or express your feelings about it. So it feels like that you respect that person, you respect the gift from that person. It seems that you tried this. I told you to try it.
Uh,
Okay,
Actually,
you
I
will
didn't
be
get the
having a
time.
week. You will be having the rest of the week, so try it out.
This complete week now?
Yeah, yeah. I'll be traveling, so there will be no class. Like you'll be having the
Oh,
class right next Monday.
right.
Okay. Yeah. So this one, un bon conseil. I hope you're doing the workbook. If you have any problem, please ask. Okay. A bon conseil. A bon conseil is a good advice. When we were doing this imperative, I told you when we are asking or giving any advice or suggestion or something, we use imperative, in which tu, who, and nu form was used without the subject, and an exclamation mark was used. Okay, now
Yes.
vivre ensemble magazine numéro 8. Magazine is magazine. Magasin is shop. They are two different words. Okay, I like that word. See, magasin means shop. Magazine is magazine. Okay, this is shop. Don't get confused. Okay, magazine is magazine. Magasin is shop. So let's read magazine number 8. Now, what is the now? Okay, in this lesson, what will you learn? In this lesson, you will learn how to express your problem and how to find a solution to that problem. How will you give advices to that problem? So, this page tells us about some of the problems. Le courrier de lecture, the emails of the readers. Exposez vos problèmes, expose your problem or express your problem. No conseillers will respond. Our advisors will respond. So there are different problems, and the meanings are somewhat already written, and we'll see how it goes about. Acro or tabac, addiction to tobacco or cigarette. Cigarette. I have written cigarette in French only. Okay. Okay, Lise,
Acro or tabac. Je fume. Je fume the
cannot see.
paquet. No, actually, I cannot. I can see. Yeah, don't worry. It's perfect. Je fume des paquets de cigarettes par jour depuis quelques temps. J'ai pu pas, j'ai pu, j'ai
Jepper.
pu pas, j'ai peur parce que j'ai toussé et que je suis fatigué. Pour arrêter, j'ai tout essayé. Les tâches, les médecines, dou, douce, douce, mais rien ne marche. Connaissez-vous une bonne méthode, méthode pour arrêter de fumer? Exemple, 35 ans.
Okay. What did you understand?
Um, secrets from the I mean, I got to know some words only.
Okay, no problem.
That's the thing.
No problem, no problem. Je
Yeah.
fume deux paquets de cigarettes par jour.
One day, I well, I fumed 2 packets of cigarettes, something like that,
I smoke two packets of cigarettes par jour.
in one day per day.
1 day per day. Depuis quelque temps, since some time. J'ai peur, I'm afraid. Parce que, because je tousse, I cough. A que, this is que, not Q. Okay? Que. QUE is que. Que je suis fatigué and I am tired. Pour arrêter, j'ai tout essayé. For like stopping, I did everything. I tried all the patches. Les médecines douces, like the soft medicines and each and everything. Mais rien ne marche pas. But nothing worked. Rien ne marche pas, nothing worked. Connaissez-vous une bonne méthode pour arrêter the fumer? Do you know some good method for stop for this stopping the smoking?
Smoking.
Alexandre on Sancom. So this page is about just they are telling about their problem. Okay, une vie de chien.
Marianne Marsh. Marianne Marsh is a phrase.
But nothing worked.
Yeah. I thought Marsh is March actually. So yeah.
No, March is March only, but it used at different place, so the meaning changes.
Hmm. All right. Une vie de chien. J'ai un problème avec mon chien. À la maison, dans la rue, chez les gens, c'est lui lécher. Il vous me suivre par, partout, partout, dans la chambre, dans la salle de bain, dans les toilettes. Mes amis ne voulons plus venir chez moi et ils refusent de rester seul.
Well,
Je ne sais plus quoi faire. Odile, 30 ans.
plus que faire. See, this word is It's pronounced as k. K. Okay. Even be the Shia.
What
J'ai
does it
un
mean?
problem. There is. I have a problem with my
Yo,
dog. À la maison, dans la rue, chez les gens, c'est lui le chef. So, at the house, on the road, at people's place, it's him who's the boss. Il veut me suivre partout. He wants me to follow. He wants to follow me everywhere. Dans la chambre, dans la salle de bain, dans les toilettes, in the room, in the bathroom, in the toilets, everywhere. Mes amis ne veulent plus venir chez moi. My friends don't want to come anymore to my place. Il refused the rester seul, and Il is my dog. Okay, and the dog refused to stay alone. Je ne sais plus que faire. I don't know what to do. It's an expression. Je ne sais plus que faire. I don't know what to do. It's Odile Honto. Written?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Un truc contre le track. Something against stress.
Contre la traque, les traques. Je suis timide, je le sais, je, je choisis
J'ai
d'autres,
choisi
j'ai choisi d'être informaticien parce, parce que je n'aime pas parler en public. Mais depuis quelques temps, mon directeur me demande de présenter les nouveaux produits de l'entreprise. 3 jours avant chaque présentation, je suis nerveux. Je ne dors plus et j'ai mal à l'estomac. Connaissez-vous un truc contre la traque à Thomas à moins 7 ans?
Okay. Je suis timide, shy. Je le sais. I know that. Now see, je le sais, timide is being replaced by pronom complément direct. Je le sais. This is how we replace. That is why I said it is less of written, more of speaking. J'ai sorry. J'ai choisi d'être informaticien. Like I chose to be a computer engineer or software engineer parce que je n'aime pas parler en public because I don't like to speak in public. Mais depuis quelque temps, mon directeur me demande de présenter les nouveaux produits de l'entreprise. But since some time, my director has asked me to present some new products from the company. 3 jours avant chaque présentation, je suis nerveux. Means 3 days before in each presentation, I am nervous. Je ne dors plus. I don't sleep anymore. Et j'ai mal à l'estomac. I have pain in my stomach. Connaissez-vous un track contre le Connaissez-vous un truc contre le track? Do you know something against stress? Thomas Vanzetto. Okay, Maladi Dasha. Disease to
Maladie
buy.
d'achat.
Disease to buy everything. Whenever you go out, you have to buy something.
अच्छा,
It is,
je
it,
ne peux
it is a
pas,
disease. It's very common among the people. Like whenever they go out, they have to buy something or the other. And in this thing, they tend to buy useless things.
je ne peux pas sortir un
Runner
billet.
per pa. It is EUX. It is a. Okay. EUX pronunciation is O.
Je ne peux pas.
Hmm.
Je ne peux pas sortir en ville sans acheter quelque chose. Euh, pour moi, c'est un besoin. Besoin. Euh, quand je vois une publicité, je vais acheter les produits. Ma maison est pleine de choses inutiles et mon compte en banque est vide. Euh, Peux- Tu guérir de cette maladie?
Carried the Satmala.
Elise, 40 ans.
Okay. Je ne peux pas sortir en ville sans acheter quelque chose. So I cannot leave the city without buying anything. So like wherever she goes, she has to buy something. So she cannot leave the city without buying anything. Pour moi, c'est un besoin. For me, it's a need. Quand je vois une publicité, when I see a publicité, when I see a advertisement, je vais acheter le produit. I will buy the product. So whenever she sees some advertisement, she'll buy the product. Ma maison est pleine de choses inutiles et mon compte en banque est vide. So, as I told you, my house is full of useless things and my bank account is empty. When she buys useless things, her bank account is empty. Patong guérir de cette maladie? Can we fight with this disease? Elise Kehonto. Another interesting thing. Toujours là. This is just the opposite
Toujours,
of, again, this is just the opposite of India. Okay.
toujours là. Mon mari, mon mari et moi, nous ne comprenons pas notre fille. Elle a 30 ans, elle gagne bien sa vie, mais il continue à habiter chez nous. Quand je lui demande s'il n'a pas envie d'avoir son appartement à lui, il répond qu'il se sent très bien chez papa et maman. Je suis pour, je suis pour être vous jouez quand les matins dans la cuisine à l'heure du petit déjeuner. Je découvre une de ses copines. Je ne trouve, je ne trouve pas ça normal. Et je ne parle pas de fêter. Je, je crois, je crois 4 heures du matin. C'est notre fille élégante. Nous ne pouvons pas les mettre à la portée à la commande comme fait Lawrence. 55 ans.
Okay. Now, I'll tell you first. See, it's not the tradition in France only, but in other countries also, like the big countries like in US, in Australia, in Canada, mm, whole of Europe. Not only it's not the case in India and some other countries. Rest leaving all the other countries have this tradition. When the child finishes the school, okay, when he or she is around 20 years old, they don't live with their parents. Okay, the child has to search for his or her own home. It can be a house or her own apartment. Okay, they don't live with their parents. They are still attached to their parents. They keep visiting to their parents, but they have to be independent as soon as they finish their school. Okay, so this is this is the culture, this is the tradition to make the to make the child independent. Here, what happens till the last breath, they have to stay with the parent only, and if the child separates, then it's a different cause only. And there it's a tradition. If the child, see what they're talking in this paragraph, that their child is 30 years old but still living with their parents, so they have an issue with this. They want a solution for this. Okay. And what
Parents want a
happens over
solution.
here? And what happens here? That if a child moves out, then they want a solution. So it's a tradition over there. So toujours là means always there. Mon mari et moi, nous ne comprenons pas notre fils. My husband and me, we don't understand our son. Il a 30 ans, he's 30 years old. Il gagne bien sa vie. Il gagne bien sa vie, he's doing well in life. Mais il continue à habiter chez nous. But he continues to live with us. Quand je lui demande s'il n'a pas envie d'avoir son appartement. When I ask him, he doesn't want to have his own apartment. À lui, of him. Il répond qu'il se sent très bien chez papa et maman. He answers that he is feeling nice being with his mama et papa. papa. Euh, je suis peut-être vieux, mais quand le matin dans la cuisine, à l'heure du petit déjeuner, je découvre une de ses copines, je ne trouve pas ça normal. So I am maybe old, but when in the morning in the kitchen or at the time of breakfast, I find one of his friends, I don't find it normal. Et je ne parle pas des fêtes jusqu'à 4 heures du matin. And I don't speak about having party till 4 in the morning. C'est notre fils, it's our son, il est gentil, he's kind. Nous ne pouvons pas le mettre à la porte. We don't want to keep him out of the door. Alors, comment faire? How to do it? So they're asking a solution. Now, at down over here, they have given a poster of a movie which is similar to this incident only. Tange. Tange is a story of this boy only who is 28 years old and he is not ready to quit his family. He's still living with his family only. He is dependent on his parents only. So this is what is it revolves around. So it's very common around there. You will not find girls and boys living with their parents over there. Uh, Not anyone. That is why studios are very common in France. Studios are not common
Hmm.
in India. That is why it is very common in France. Studios are very common, and in one studio only two to three children, two to three they live, and like in big houses, what happens, like mm, like in big house, if like it's a 4 bhk house or a 5 bhk house, so in about what happens, like just one room is shared by the owner and the rest three are put up on rent. So it happens that way also, because the children don't live with their parents, so they have to search for a different place to live.
In the same house, only owner lives.
Yes, it is very common. It is very common throughout all over France. It is very common. Like this is a house. This is a house. Maybe it has 6 rooms all over. So in one room, one for say that this room the owner is living, or maybe this room the owner is living. Rest all are put on rent.
Was
And even the couples, they share rooms. Like the couples share room. It is very common. See, live-in is very common in France. Very common. Very very much common. But this is their culture. We can't do anything. Okay. So, yes, now presente une action. How will you present an action? We have two ways. One is this and one is the other one. This is just how to start and this is the standard one. So we'll first do how to start it. See, some verbs are there. Commencer, continuer and arrêter. Commencer is to start.
Stop.
Like
Hmm.
Pierre commence à travailler à 9 heures. So Pierre starts to work at 9 o'clock.
Now
Il s'arrête de travail à midi. He stops the work at
stops.
midi. 12 o'clock in the
Hmm.
noon, he stops the work.
Sure.
Il reprend. See, wherever this re is coming, this is the prefix. See this prefix, wherever re is coming, means it is restarting the work. Il reprend à 13 heures. He restarts the work at 1 o'clock. Et continue à travailler l'après-midi. And he continues to work whole afternoon. Il finit de travail à 18 heures. He finishes off the work at 6 o'clock. So how will you like start the thing? Commencement, the starting, le début, the little bit of pause, then continuation, la fin, finishing, and then arrêt, stop. One more is there, encore, toujours, ne plus. Encore is again, toujours is always, and ne plus is no more. Il est 19 heures. Aujourd'hui, Pierre travaille encore. It is 19 o'clock. Today, Pierre is again working. Il est toujours au bureau. He is always at the office. Ses collègues ne sont plus au bureau. His colleagues are no more in the office.
Now what was toujours? Always.
Always.
Now what
Now,
is souvent? Souvent.
so, where is souvent?
Uh, no, it's not written. I just
Oh,
maybe.
souvent is often.
Okay, okay.
Souvent is often. I'll share another
Hmm.
link and then start the next grammar topic. Okay. I'm sharing
Oh,
another.